Place the device on a clean, flat surface. Screen side down. Now take your spudger, or a flat-bladed screwdriver, and carefully insert it into the corner notch of the back. Lever the corner up, and then pop out the back all the way around, taking care not to break anything. Now take the battery. Make sure it is the right way round, with the contacts in the top right corner. Slide it under the corner tabs and push it down. Next, replace the back cover. Align the camera hole with the camera, and push the back down firmly. You'll hear it click as it pops into position all the way around. Insert the tablet into the S Pen end of the rugged case first. Once it starts to go in, slide it in all the way. Then, firmly push the opposite corners so they snap into position. Finally, power on the device. Press the power button for a second or two. You'll see Samsung Galaxy appear on the screen as the device starts up.